Okay, let's go. Flare, nice one. Shard Drive, Burning Abyss, that thing and that other thing. English names are always better. Wrath, Ignister, Fairy Wind, Kuribo, and Bonne Sorcière. She's the best. I really like her effect even if it's not really good. The Pourseer, Big Eye, nice one. Rexo Skill, that thing again and that thing again. Okay. I really hope I will get batteries. Scam and that thing. Mirror Force and Corn of Heaven. Grand Corn of Heaven. Magister Paladin, Mirror Force, Fire Lake, that thing, and Corn of Heaven. Okay. So far so good. Norito. Burning Abyss. Oh shit, third one! That's too much! We already have like a case full of it as a common. Maxi, nice one! Black Rose, Mirror Force, that thing, oh, second one for this one, okay. I thought for a second that it was the third one. Castel, we have like 10 at home, but okay. Mask Change, Furfa, Kuribo, and Good Witch, second time. Flare, second one. Mirror Force, Traveler. I don't know that one. Oh, the Ice Hand. It's been a long time since I saw this card. Okay, a new Castel, why not? Mistake, Terminus, Monarch, and Darkfighter. Okay, pretty good. Okay guys, let's recap now. So we have 2 Flare, we have Big Eyes, Norito, 2 Castel, Magister, Ignister, Black Rose, and we have a lot of Burning Abyss and the magic card, spell card, Mass Change, Shard Ride, a lot of Mirror Force, pretty good, and we also have some Cosmo, 2 Good Witch and 1 Darkfighter. We have the Kuribos, 1 Ice Hand, the Horns, we have a lot of Horns, some Shuffle, and the common cards that we don't want it. And we also got a Maxi, which I'm really glad that we have. Thanks for watching, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe and like, and also comment if you have something to say. Bye! Bye!
You thought it was over, but a discovery would change it all. From the ashes, a box was born.